In Ayurveda, they often use more cooked foods for healing protocols, and I know you talk about eating only raw. What are your thoughts on this? And they talk about cold, weakness, kidneys, chi, all this stuff, right? And so it's confusing. I get it, I know. And I would be confused too. But here's the thing. I have the utmost respect for traditional Chinese medicine, for traditional Indian medicine, which is Ayurvedic medicine, based upon the Vedic sciences, which are like, wow. And all the indigenous medicines that are dealing with cancer. However, there's one fundamental truth that I can't relinquish. It's a fundamental truth, and that is, prior to all of our human concoctions and things that we made up, here we were on this planet, along with dogs, elephants, giraffes, rabbits, bacteria, all of them. And every organism on the planet, the plants, all that, had everything they needed to live and thrive. That's how they got there. Okay? And there was no such thing as cooking. I mean, the only thing that perhaps any kind of cooking would have been if there was a forest fire. So suppose there was a forest fire and something got cooked. That would be it. Other than that, or lightning struck a cow and somebody went and ate the cow. I mean, that might happen. Other than that, none of it. So it does not exist in nature. It has. We have to do something to it. So now, what you brought up was very, very true. When we talk about medicines, yes, then we might have to cook, because a lot of the traditional Chinese teas, we have a fantastic traditional Chinese doctor at our clinic at an Oasis of Healing in Arizona. In fact, Dr. Liu, he's not only a traditional Chinese doctor, he was also trained and board certified in internal medicine. So he's both. But he came here to America and he's just practicing that. He works with us. He does acupuncture and herbs and all that. And he's always helping the patients with, the students with concoctions that he makes, these fantastic teas and stuff that have been brewed and all that sort of thing. Because they have specific, one is going to raise the red blood cell count, one is going to raise the white blood cell count. Yeah, these are medicines, just like vitamin C. There are no vitamin C trees. And you'll never find vitamin C by itself. You'll never find vitamin A by itself anywhere in nature. So we have to extract and all that. So these are, even though we're calling them supplements and vitamins, they're still, in the very broader sense, we're using them medicinally, allopathically, to achieve a certain condition, right? But what I don't agree with is that we need to be eating food that has been thermally degenerated. Because I still believe that God did not make a mistake. I still believe that the tomato is perfect for us and all the other organisms that were designed to eat it, and that it's got everything, not just lycopene, not just vitamin A, not just fiber, not just ascorbates, it's got it all in a perfect synergy that we cannot imagine. A perfect synergy that we cannot imagine. Okay? That's what's in the tomato. Okay? And you're not going, I think if we could just take this part out and this part from over here, we've got the answer. This is the Western mind.